So if I can take those vibrations out from the gear drive or from the machining, my surface finish looks better, my cutting tools last longer, and I overall get a better part.
Welcome back to MTD, friends. I'm at REGO-FIX with my friend David, and now we're going to talk a little bit about these power grips that I have here behind me. So, David, tell me, what is this that we have right over here?
That's a great question. So normally when people think of REGO-FIX and PowRgrip, they think of CNC machines.
Sure.
Well, now we have the option to actually cross the aisle, as they say, and actually provide tooling for lathes. So at this particular display, we are showing 3 different types of quick change lathe options.
Okay.
So the first that we have is our new PST, which is a CAPTO-based tool holding system. And it's made to go into lathes. It's very, very short. And it goes into holders like this. Like this is a Benz live head.
Okay.
So this goes right into it, and it converts this live head into a PowRgrip tool holding system. So all the benefits of PowRgrip now go into the lathe system. We have the same thing for the EWS VX system,
Okay.
and we even have it for the WTO QuickFlex system. So 3 really good live tool options that our PowRgrip system can now go right into to benefit those customers.
We mentioned that one of the biggest benefits is that it's not only now from CNC, you can take it to lathes, but what are the biggest benefits of using this?
Yep. So with PowRgrip, not only do you get the 3 microns TIR, which is pretty common for what we do in the high precision industry, but we also give you the vibration damping that's available with our system.
Okay.
So the system is made so it has what's called micro friction dampening. So it dampens out the vibrations. And with a live head, you have a gear drive inside. So if I can take those vibrations out from the gear drive or from the machining, my surface finish looks better, my cutting tools last longer, and I overall get a better part.
Does that would help you also with the precision?
Absolutely. The repeatability of the PowRgrip system is much better than most of the other systems that can go into these live heads.
Okay. Would you like to tell any other feature before we move to another product?
I think the biggest thing on this is that the QuickFlex style system and the PST CAPTO type system use a special PowRgrip collet. It's not the same as a normal collet. It's called a short tail. So when customers go through and they look at this, we just have to make sure they get the right collet for their application.
Okay, perfect. Thank you, David.